We are in fact here at a millet festival in Hyderabad, a 3-day millet festival. Crops that are often called the poor farmers' crops, but very much the future of the country. And I have with me 3 people who are, one is from a farming family who has turned an entrepreneur, another an IIT graduate who has turned entrepreneur, and another who is a scientist who is using solar power to dry food grains. I'm going to go to you first. What are your expectations from the budget today?
Yeah, what we are looking for is the farmers getting more of budget for the processing machinery. Actually, with millets, the problem is the processing. I mean, after the grain comes, cleaning, grading and other things, I think millets need more of budget on that. Apart from this, as processors, as people like us who are actually into the millet entrepreneurship, what we require is we want these things where we require a lot of processing machinery from the manufacturers, and also having a category where in the midday meal programs and the central government schools, we want these millets to be added as their food in the afternoon meal or the morning breakfast or evening snacks.
It would certainly be a lot of value addition, but unfortunately very often farmers are not seen as entrepreneurs. We have many examples of where farmers turn entrepreneurs as well. You chose millets as well, and you were telling me that the support that was supposed to come to this crop actually didn't come.
So, ma'am, see, my point was pretty simple. One is the processing machinery for millets. So when you look at it from a technology point of view, the processing machinery for millets is not readily available. So it's like you take machinery that's supposed to work for rice or wheat and you adapt it. So the thing is that that's not possible. So it doesn't work so well all the time. So when the government announced the a program called Intensive Millet Program, INSIM, the machinery that was supplied through this program, not a lot of manufacturers, not a lot of entrepreneurs were able to get good results with these. So the thing is that what I would like to see is more of investment going into R&D for developing good machinery that would do products that are ready to eat or ready to cook from millets.